Wow, it almost feels nice out here today. The humidity's down a bit. I wouldn't call it refreshing, but it's not too bad. I'm sure once the sun gets cranking and the heat starts to climb, we'll still feel it. Maybe I can get us out of here faster today, though, before that happens. Stripe's still hanging out in the house. He just chilling by the air conditioning vent. There's Morris. Thank goodness he didn't give up on me today or get distracted by something today. I felt so bad yesterday. We seem to have a new family up the hill from us with little kids, and they were out in the pool yesterday. The door under the house was open and then closed later on, so I made sure all kitties were accounted for when it was closed. Concerns me just a bit. Hey, Panther. Hi. Thank you for being patient with me. Thank you, thank you. I've done my morning walkabout and killed Japanese beetles and watered my Japanese maple trees, which the beetles like. And pulled some weeds and petted cats and got a nice picture of Tux, because I surely don't like editing the videos and getting to the end and not having good cat pictures. And I'm out of breath and hot and sweaty now. Guaranteed in the summer here. There you are. Hi. Hello. Hello. There's your big morning stretch. Good girl. Don's pleased. They have trimmed around the nice pretty big tree. Got rid of the scrub. They're mowing at our little park today versus the big park.
Hey, hey.
Hey, hey. I'm bringing up the rear. I stopped to look at a butterfly. Sounds like something I would do, right?
Yeah. My pretty girl loves her butterflies.
I do. Oh, to be young again. Looks busy over here between the workers and the splash pad. It's a lot of people here this morning. It's like 10:30, quarter to 11. They've got early start today to trying to beat the heat. Well, our yard's a jungle, and it's a jungle here at the two parks, so I feel for these guys having to get out here in the heat today and get it looking better. It was really tall. Between all the extra 4th of July stuff they have to do to get the parks in shape, and then all the rain we've had, it's just, you know. I like a jungle though. I hate dry and brown. So we missed the FedEx guy. Box may be heavy, chewy. That's a little bit of an understatement since there's 24 packs of cat food. And then there's another, Tux, you've been managing deliveries this morning? There's another box over here by the back door. Hey, bud. Meow. Man. Hi. Oh, you're so sweet. I just got done vacuuming the house, and Don's gonna rinse off the GMC, and he's loading it up for the landfill. Just a few chores after our walk while we're, you know, basically in our quote-unquote light duty work clothes. Hey, buddy. Marty's over here in the chair. He moved chairs to get just a little farther away from the action. Oh, it feels so much better inside than outside. Yay for air conditioning. We haven't left for the landfill yet. You know, was helping Johnny for a minute, and now I'm futzing with Legos till Dawn says we're ready to go. I want to figure out what set these pieces go to. They look like they're mostly together. And, you know, it's just been on my list to go through the stuff in this tiny bin. So I'm going to just go out to Bricklink and try to figure out what set this is. It shouldn't be too difficult. You didn't tell me we were going to have to get gasoline on this outing.
Yeah, we got to get gas. Otherwise, I'll have to turn the vehicle off and won't let it be able to run idle and run the air conditioner for my sweetie. to 1/8 of a tank.
God, this is 2 ice vehicle trips in 1 week. I don't know if I can handle it or not. Michelle's Rogue has a little, you know, exhaust, little engine rumble. Of course, my van does too when I give it, you know, appropriate foot. But there's a Y going into the storage place. Don said they've added so many prompts at the pump that it was almost difficult to figure out how to start pumping the gas, and that the pump is super slow. We are at a Sheetz with a lot of pumps, and it's always busy over here on this corner in Fuquay. Here, aren't you glad you get to take a trip with us today in an ice vehicle and to the landfill? Don's starting out with the recyclables. That's what he always does. And I always offer to help, and he insists I not get out of the car. So his mama brought him up right, I guess. But don't think I didn't offer. This is the fun part of the trip.
All the plants.
Yep. Well, Johnny's leaving for New York, so I don't guess we're going to be getting watermelon today, though.
No, I don't think so.
Just gorgeous looking. I guess they haven't all sold since the last time we were here. Bummer.
Howdy, howdy, howdy.
We did manage to leave a second time and not bring home a big plant pot.
And he marked it down, 25 bucks.
Yeah, he said he knocked $25 off for us, you know, special customers. We bought, what did we buy? 6 dozen eggs, a fresh tomato, and a bunch of pecans.
Right.
Or pecans, depending on where you're from. I just say it however the person I'm talking to says it. I try to stay out of trouble. So I think us Jersey girls say pecan. That's just, the A is one of the ways you can recognize somebody from, you know, it's water and not water. I can't even say it right.
Well, trust me, us from down south, we don't call them pecans, because peeing in a can's a little too close to home.
Oh, God. Oh, well, when you put it like that.
Yeah, I think I always said pecans.
Yeah.
I might say more pecans.
It's looking pretty hazy today, so I checked the air quality, and we're still into yellow, but Greensboro's orange. And there is a good bit of smoke, I guess, that's come back down into the U.S. here for another round of air quality concerns. Hopefully the orange will stay away from us. Is that where you're staying cool today? Hi. I bet Marty's in there with you, isn't he? Hi, pretty boy. Yeah, we're going upstairs in the garage, so if you're coming out, you really won't get to see me very long. So, up here with Johnny, me and Don both getting instructions on how to start 3D prints for him while he's in New York. And I think we got it, and yeah. I filmed it, so if we have questions, obviously he can get on the phone with us, or I can go watch the video. And I'm just noticing where they had put the little camera that we're all using to watch the prints. It's really fun. I go to watch the cats on camera at night, and there's Johnny's 3D print going too. Got magical acrobatics put back together, and when you move the horse, the little girl, she goes back and forth. That's pretty cool. This also does spin the rings if you have one of the minifigures hold the rings, and this is stilts. But there's a whole lot of other stuff that goes with it. Some of I have. Like I know I have this cart, this one, and I've seen maybe part of this. I don't know, I'll keep going. I had what I thought was one part of this upstairs when I had the theme park on the table. But anyway, there's definitely more of it here. I just need to put it back together too. Magical caravan is now put back together too. Pretty cool. What I have of fun fair stalls is back together. I'm missing a little art cart, but she needs hair and I need flags. I'm missing a few flags. Okay, there's the other magical stalls. I didn't see there was a book too, and all that stuff was here also. The last thing I was able to get put back together is this forest house. It's all there except for a little tree and a boat that goes off to the side. and they're just not here. I've got extra friends' boats if I really wanted to include one. It's Taekwondo time. Don got Ruby out for me. Yay, I love it. Yeah, Johnny's doing Taekwondo tonight and tomorrow. I know he doesn't usually go on Mondays because of his trip up to New York with his father and missing, you know, Taekwondo then. He also missed a few days last week due to activities with friends and such. Don took him to meet up with friends Saturday to bowl, and I know he mentioned it and going to pick him up in one of his clips, but he didn't quite, it might have been confusing, but he had a good time bowling with friends up at the Buffalo Lanes alley that we would drive by all the time going to and from school downtown Raleigh. I'm just gonna go walk around Walmart. I don't particularly need anything tonight, but hey, maybe I'll get lucky with Hot Wheels or Matchbox again, because I've been getting really lucky over there lately. It was hit or miss during COVID, and now it's like, yay! No clearance plants here at the Walmart, but they do still have some pretty, albeit expensive stuff. Time to pick Johnny up. I got a white Matchbox Mustang Mach-E, a blue Renault Twizy, seriously a Twizy, and they had one Midnight Silver Metallic Model Y that somehow on some other day I missed, and that's all I got. I thought that was pretty good. I had not seen a white Mach-E before, only red.